Hey guys, today I will show you how to use emotes in Monster Hunter World. First, open the in-game menu. Go to Communication, then select Gestures. This opens the full emote list you can use at any time, even during hunts. From here, select an emote and your character will perform it instantly. Some emotes also have sound effects or voice lines depending on the gesture. You can also assign emotes to your radial menu. Open the radial menu settings. Choose a slot and bind an emote to it. This lets you use emotes quickly without opening the main menu, which is useful in multiplayer hunts. Also keep in mind, some emotes are locked behind paid DLC. These can be purchased from the store and will appear in your gesture list after downloading. And that's how to use emotes in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.